Hey guys, Josh Stewart here, Medford Pressure Washing. I'm here at Forage Coffee, about to take care of all this dirty concrete that you see here. And so we have a three-step process we're gonna go through right now. We're gonna spray down an awesome cleaner. It's very similar to like the 30-second cleaner you might see at Lowe's, but it's my special concoction. Spray all that down, and it's going to really lighten this concrete up. And we're gonna do some high-pressure water all over with a surface cleaner. You'll see what that looks like in a moment. And then we're gonna rinse it off. We're going to rinse it all off with the wand. So check it out. Here's the before picture, and you get to see what it looks like in the process, and you'll get to see what it looks like afterwards. And if you need a great cup of coffee, Forage is the place. Come and see Jake and Storm. They're awesome. Several layers of dirt and grime, cleaner and lighter, and definitely more sanitary. So come get a great cup of coffee at Forage Coffee, and if you need any pressure washing done, call me at 541-525-0348.